Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll discuss how to optimize your website for SEO. So if you're freshly starting, if your website is a new website, just remember these 5 important steps for the SEO performance of your website. So if you want to rank on Google, rank in the first place for the targeted keywords on Google, these 5 points are really important because I have experience with my own site techanswer.com and I have faced few problems. I'll explain to you. I'll discuss with you what are those problems. The first thing you need to consider is you need to have a fast loading website. This is very important, and that too you have SSL website. So when you see a website, it should have this connection is secure. This comes with SSL certificate. So SSL certificate is very important. It is mandatory actually, and when someone the user loads a website, it should load within 3 seconds of time, within the 3 seconds of time. If it takes more than that, it would be really hard to get on the search results. The first thing you need to take care is hosting with the SSL certificate. Next, on page SEO. For on page SEO, if it is a WordPress site, you need to have Yoast SEO plugin or Rank Math SEO plugin. For example, I'm using Rank Math. So if you properly use this Rank Math website, it will take care of all the on-page SEO like H1 tags and everything will be done. But you need to have a proper H1 tag, and you need to target your keywords. Means, for example, how to get a job as a fresher. If this is your targeted website, that should have the H1 tag. So the URL structure and everything comes on the on page. SEO plugin like Rank Math or Yoast SEO for your WordPress site setup, and build some high quality content. This is the hash one thing you need to remember if you want to rank in the SEO. So don't ever copy code, copy text from something, and just write your original content, that to engaging content, that to quality content with good language structure. If it is in English, the website, it should be grammatically, yes, it should be grammatically correct. I mean, the content should be grammatically correct without any errors, and the content should be engaging and unique. And this plays really 90% of importance on the on page, the content. And the site should have these pages, very important: the terms and the privacy policy and the sitemap. These three should be included on your website. And user engagement. What is user engagement? For example, when user appears on your website, make sure that he reads more than one page. In order to do that, you need to have proper this one, internal links. Means, if the user navigates to your website, the navigation of the website should be really good, as the user should feel it comfortable and easy to read. And from one page, the user should navigate to the other page. Only this is possible if the website is engaging. There should be a link somewhere in the reading article so that user navigates to that particular URL or to that particular page in your website. So this tells any search engine, for that matter, Google or Bing or any search engine, that this website is an engaging website and users showing interest on this. And indexing. See here, my main problem with my website is the indexing. See, lot of pages are not indexed on my search console. This is due to the lack of proper continuous posting on the website. And in between, as this is a forum sort of site, there is a lot of copied content by the other users, so this degraded the crawling rate and the indexing rate of my website. If I need to fix, I should fix these issues by proper indexing techniques by the Google, means any search engine. So I'll discuss what you need to do to have the proper indexing. Through my own experience, I have found a few reasons why Google is saying like it is discovered but not yet indexed. See here, duplicate Google, choose different canonical user. How you can fix crawled, currently not indexed. So these errors shouldn't be there on your website for to have a good SEO. If you want to check that video, I'll drop the link in the description for that video about the indexing issues. You can go through that. And please do hit a like for this video and share it to others so that it may be useful for the beginners.